linea dei MateBook. Qui vedete ad esempio il MateBook X e Genza aveva il piacere di raccontarvi brevemente quello che è stato presentato oggi.
Okay, so I believe you are introducing me.
Yes.
Okay, Giugno, good morning, and James, and I'm the general manager of Huawei Italy consumer business. And so, welcome, and thank you very much for your support, and as always. And today I just want to take this opportunity to introduce the new product from Huawei. And I believe you have already very familiar with P10, P10 Plus, the green color, the blue color. But today I want to introduce this new product. And this is the Huawei MateBook X. This is the new laptop. So I want to take a few minutes just to give you a very high summary of this product. And so we prepared a presentation, so very quick. And so it's working. Okay, great. And just a few pages. And so first of all, it's a size. Yeah, it's a design, and it's an ultra slim, ultra thin design, and you can see it's even smaller than A4 paper, okay, and they're very light as well, and 100% full metal body, and so very solid as well. And so next page. So as I just mentioned, that also in terms of the frame of the screen, so it's we introduced some, let's say, the technologies in the smartphone. While you know that most of you are very, get tired with all the traditional design. In the past 10 years, there's honestly nothing new to the laptop. And so this time we are the first one to make 88% of the screen to body ratio. So this is the, let's say, the highest ratio so far in the whole industry. And also 2K display. Okay, so there's nothing new, but we introduced also kind of retina level display into this laptop as well. And work very closely with Intel. So this time in Italy we launched the CPU is the i5, while we also introduced i7 and i3. So this is the CPU. While most important today, that one of the key features I want to introduce to all our friends is that I believe you have the same experience with me. That 7 years ago I bought a Sony laptop. I use a lot of Sony laptop, from almost the beginning, because I love the design. And the last time I bought Sony, because I love the design, but unfortunately the experience is bad because of the noise of the fan. Yeah. And the CPU is very strong, but noise is also very key. And then I didn't use the laptop with the fan. I switched to the other brand, but honestly I have the same very bad experience, with the noise of the laptop. And this time we are the first one have a design without fan. And this is the first time in the industry introduce a laptop, ultra slim design, Intel i-series CPU, but without fan. You may ask me, how do we manage to produce this product without a fan? Because the heating is a problem for the CPU. So this time we we introduced a space cooling technology, and I believe some of you in the technical background are familiar with PCM, the phase change material. And you know that when the spaceship, when trying to return to the Earth, and you need to pass through the space, and it's a challenge for the spaceship, because of the heating. And this kind of material has been massively introduced in the astronaut technologies, communication technologies, and that kind of material will help you to absorb the heat and also release the heat, so without fan. Yeah? So this is a very advanced technology. And honestly, Huawei, and you know that we have 70,000 R&D engineers, and we also have a lab and to develop the cooling material. So we have many different kinds of cooling materials. And for the base station, you know that Huawei also provides the network base station. And 10 years ago, one base station is as high as myself. It's a very big base station. And there are a lot of fans inside. So for every module, we have one fan to cool the system. Like in Italy, very hot. Yeah, in the south, extremely hot. So the base station outside, if you saw on top of the tower, and they're working 24 hours. So it's very hot. We also, now the latest technology that Huawei produce the base station without fan. So it can be running for 10 years without any trouble and without fan. And that kind of material is this one. So this is the first time that there's a company introduce that kind of PCM materials to laptop. So it's not hot, yeah, and there's no noise. So this is something that today I really want to share with you, and something particular and different. Okay, so this is some details that how we manage and to design this laptop without a fan, and how we introduce the space cooling system, the cooling technology into the laptop. So this is something really cool and really different. Okay, so this is the temperature control performance, and you can see that in the normal environment, and the temperature of this laptop is lower than the human body's temperature. And later on, you can touch and use this laptop. And I believe my colleagues already used this laptop for the whole morning, but now still cool. Still cool.
Right.
I'm a good sales guy.
Can I take it home? I have to do some experiments, so I have to take it home.
Yeah, definitely.
Some verification.
You need to check it.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Okay,
The
so
battery, how many times one could carry this?
the battery for you
How
mean?
many times? 1 or 2 or?
It depends on the application. For instance, watching movie is about 10 hours. Watch a movie. So fly from Malpensa to Hong Kong, you can enjoy the whole journey with.
It's a personal experience.
Yeah, but you have to sleep. Come on. You land at 6 a.m. You're crafting.
So if you take the early morning flights, normally you cannot sleep. Anyway, so before I finish my presentation, I want to share a very short video.